Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, yes, it's Sunday, and yesterday I've told you we have in yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 29th, 2023. No extra puzzles, no additional, only the puzzle page here, and we have two puzzles left here in this puzzle page. The 3 stars Sudoku, well, actually it's a 2 stars. It has 26 printed digits, and we have one left, the binary puzzle, and this one has 27 printed digits. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition, and we have also the regular samurai Sudoku. But first, let me start with this one. This one will be number 6357. Told you before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. Actually, it's 2 stars, but it's indicated with 3 stars Sudoku. And for a 2-star Sudoku, 15 to 20 minutes. Otherwise, for 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. All right. Well, so let's get started. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. All right. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column. Second column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the last row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Alright. Okay. Then. Then. Let me see which number can I pick. Here should be the 9. Here should be the 8. Interesting. 8 here. Oh, we have a 8 in this column, the 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. So in this column, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 8. Well, here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the 8 in the last column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are... Oh, no. Need 8 here. And I need the 8 there. So I need to wait. Yeah, I need to wait. Right now, insufficient information. Yeah. 4, okay. 3 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing number in the third row is the number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in the third row. Should be there. 3, okay. 2 numbers left now in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Alright, 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so no row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. Then, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. Yeah. Alright. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, second column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here have 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait again for 4. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and a 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in the middle column, so no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright, that means 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. The 2 is missing here. 1 box left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright, 6, 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Here 6 in the first column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Can I count? Yeah. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Okay. So now we have 4 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number in the second column is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in the second column could be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay, need to wait. Okay. 9. Interesting. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in the last column. I believe the same number. The 1, the 2, the 3. Yeah, the 4 is missing. 4, okay. 9. Let me think. 8 in this row. The 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Do we have all the 8s? No. We have 8 in this column. The 8 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1. 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So now we have 1 box left in this row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. Then. Yeah. 3 and this. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 4 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Is this really a 2 stars or 3 stars? Not the 3 stars. Not a 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star here. 1 star. 1 star. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes. And I'm well pleased with the time. In the flow, you can solve this puzzle. If I can solve this, you can also solve this too. Thank you for watching. And we have 1 puzzle left in this puzzle page, the binary puzzle, 10 by 10. So, see you in a minute. And yeah, until then, bye-bye for now.